Hi, I'm Bruce Ryan with Interlogics. I'm here today to show you how to install a Resolution Products wireless translator. This device translates the wireless protocol and frequency of wireless sensors and allows the installer to use these sensors made by different companies to talk to the same panel. In this training, we will cover the placement of the translator and the proper way to document its location. We'll also go through the enrolling of the Honeywell wireless sensors into the translator and the learning of those sensors into the Simon XT panel. We will also cover the enrollment of the translator tamper switch, using several different zone types showing how they will react when the tamper is activated. One of the most important parts of this training will be to test the tamper switch and verifying the signals with the central station. The Resolution Products wireless-to-wireless translator can support up to 63 wireless devices, plus one wireless zone for the translator tamper switch. All sensor alarms, supervisory, and trouble signals are passed through the translator to the Simon XT panel. The unit features backup battery operation and complete supervision of sensors tampers, external power faults, and low batteries. Today we'll demonstrate how to take and learn in the Honeywell wireless motion detector and the Honeywell door window sensor, learn those sensors into the Resolution wireless-to-wireless translator, then also learn those signals into the Simon XT panel so that they can be communicated to the central station. Next, let's talk about some location considerations. But first, a very important note. The translator cannot be mounted inside any kind of metal enclosure. So, after the removal of the Honeywell panel, the translator can be installed in that same location or it can be installed in a closet depending on the type of panel that was removed. If the same location is used, you can utilize the existing AC wire run for the translator's power. If a new location is selected, be sure there is a convenient access to a non-switched powered outlet. After mounting the translator, connect the external power supply. Be sure to secure it to the outlet with a screw. Also be sure to note the location of the translator on the installation log and with the central station. Next, after we've plugged in the external power supply, we need to remove the battery tab so that we'll have our 72-hour backup. Now we'll enroll the sensors. First, we'll place the Simon XT in the Learn Sensor mode. Next, we will press the enrollment button until we have the yellow LED next to the proper device that we're trying to enroll. Enrolling the sensor into the wrong group here will cause improper operation. Now we'll activate the Honeywell door window sensor so it'll learn in. You'll hear a beep from the translator and a beep from the Simon XT. Next, we'll learn in the Honeywell motion detector. That's done by removing the battery, pushing the battery back in. You'll get a beep again from the translator and from the Simon panel. Now that we've got our Honeywell sensors learned in, another communications test that we can do is check to make sure when the Honeywell sensor is activated, the green LED blinks, and then the red LED should indicate when it's blinking that there's a packet transmission coming from here to our Simon XT panels. And as you can see, we've got both lights blinking there. The next thing that we're going to talk about is enrolling the translator's tamper switch. There's a couple of different zone types that we can use for that. We can use a zone type 10, which would give you a trouble condition by day and an alarm signal when the system is armed. Another zone type that could be used is group 36. Now that will generate an alarm condition regardless of the armed status of the panel. So now we've got our Simon ready to learn in another zone. We're going to push the tamper switch on the Resolution Products. It's going to learn into our Simon panel with the beep. We're going to learn it in as a zone type 10. Now as a final test, we have the Simon XT panel armed with doors and windows. We'll go ahead and remove the cover of the translator and our panel goes into an alarm condition immediately.
Alarm cancelled.
Thanks, and I hope this has helped a little bit furthering your understanding of how the Resolution Products translator and the Simon XT panel work together.